up in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling thankful for the love and the happiness we chase. Sun is shining brightly, sky so blue and clear.
Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, we are making this simple hairstyle for Momandprettyimisi. I just conditioned her hair using my hair conditioner, and next I'm going to be applying mane and tail herbal grow. This hair is so thick right now, so I'm going to be sprinkling water, which I just did, and I'm massaging it, and I'm also combing it out, so it will be very easy for me to work on her hair.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Alright everyone, we are done with this hair. This hair looks so simple and beautiful. I'm just applying my Amla oil on her scalp. If you want to know how to make this Amla oil, the link will be on the description of this video. Isn't Imisi looking pretty? She is looking pretty. And next, we're going to be playing with variety of colors here. So just bear with us.